Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another Blu-ray unboxing type of review. I'm going to give my little thoughts on the movie really quick, but video. Love that cup. But yeah, this is for Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. First thing I'm going to say about this movie is, as well made as it was, because I do think it's actually like the Goosebumps movie that actually is kind of superior to Goosebumps. It's scarier, it's funner. It's just, it felt more legit. I felt like they paid more homage to the actual book series when it comes to Scary Stories than Goosebumps paid homage to Goosebumps when it came to Goosebumps the stories. But overall, I do enjoy both of them. I just think this one is probably the superior film. But overall, this film would have been probably a lot better if it was an anthology film. Like, this could have been the bring back of anthologies, like with Trick or Treat 2 coming out. Scary Stories would have been a perfect anthology film, but they kind of just went and said, no, let's just make a Goosebumps type of movie. And, you know, as fun as that is, it can get tiring at points, and this would have been a perfect comeback for anthologies. It really would have. So that's kind of disappointing. We didn't get to see all the stories brought to life, but the ones they did bring to life are obviously the fan favorites. Harold, Meet Ty Dowdy Walker, the Pale Woman, all these crazy ass characters. I own the books too. Got the whole trilogy on the old book collection. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into this. You got this really cool Blu-ray. I really dig this. No blue on top. It's just black. I wish Blu-rays would do that more, but really cool visual right there. I love that shot of Harold with the crow on its head. Yeah, Harold again. I don't know why it's not focusing. Normally it focuses, but oh well. Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. The spine. We got this. Hopefully you guys get to see that synopsis. I know it looks a little blurry on my screen, but really cool. Really cool picture of the house back there. Really neat. PG-13. Fuck yeah. Let's take this bad boy off. I just used my mouth. I just used my mouth. Didn't damage it, so it's all good. Got the plastic on there. Let's see if we can get this bad boy off really quick. Come on, don't give me problems. Move this. Normally I can get this though, so bear with me, folks. I'm kind of doing it in one shot. I hate admitting that, but it is what it is. Here, I got a pen, actually. I got a pen. Don't worry. Don't get... There you go. Pull this off really quick. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I know. It's very unprofessional, but we're getting through it, aren't we? We're getting through it. And Guillermo del Toro produced this movie. Ooh, almost knocked the slipcover off. Produced this movie. Would have been neat to see him direct it. The directing was really pretty good here. Really good. And I know he was on set a lot, helping out, but... it'd been interesting to see him actually direct it. Because that's what I thought was going to happen at first anyways. But here we go. We got the Blu-ray disc right there. Oh, nice. We got the DVD. So nothing major. Nothing really mind-blowing. Basic, just title, single color stuff we got here. I do know one of these places had a steelbook that looked really, really insanely cool, but I'm not too sure, honestly. And it comes with this. There's the trilogy, the book trilogy. Really good stuff. Really creepy. Definitely. And they hold up, too. So, if this movie inspires you to go read those books, then the movie's done its job. So, guys, that's Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark, the Blu-ray. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite story that they brought to life in this movie? If I had to say mine would have probably been... I'm gonna say that the Pale Woman. Pale Woman was probably my favorite. Harold was my second favorite, and then probably the toe character, probably my favorite. The most disappointing I think was the Jangly Man, but when you see the movie, you might have a different opinion. But guys, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. As always, subscribe to the channel, like it. Absolutely stick around. You won't miss another video, guys. Check you in the next video.